welcome to this next episode of Excel Basics. This one is going to be creating spreadsheets based on default templates, other available templates locally or online. And I'm just going to relaunch Excel. We discussed how to do that in the previous one. Now this is Excel 356, I think, which is the newest, but it generally looks identical in the past quite a few versions. At least since 2013 odd. And the way you can do templates, local templates and online templates, you can, in the newer versions you have this whole home thing and you have all the templates here, or most of them anyway, and you just click on one of them, or you can go into more templates, which will notice how this has moved from home to new, and it gives you a larger variety of what you're after, and you can do suggested searches like business, personal, and so on and so on. So these are your online templates. You just need to click on one of them and it will download it for you and it will just open it up. Personal templates, I don't have any, but the way you open them is pretty much the same that if you have personal templates or like local corporate templates, they will show up here. That's generally, let's open an online one so you see what I'm talking about. So let's do formula tutorial, and you'll see it offers you to create it and just see how it goes. Just press create, and essentially this looks like a pre-made Excel workbook. And okay, this is a template for formulae, so it doesn't look like, you know, a calendar or anything, but you have your sheets, you have all these things. So that's the main way to open a template. I'm going to close this now and I'll show you another way to do this, and this applies for local templates, which I still don't really have, but you can go into open and browse, and instead of all Excel files, go and find templates. And again, I don't have any, but when you have them, they will show up here, and you just double click on them and opens up your template. And that applies to local templates. Now local can be on your corporate network, but it doesn't mean online like Microsoft Online. And that is the conclusion of this task. Next one's going to be saving a spreadsheet, so keep watching. Thank you.